So again, I think now that they've reached a place, Shiva, where they have good updates on their mods and they continue to do that, I think they're now focusing on how do they make it available. Again, I think we've spoken about this a bit in the past, is distribution channel, right? So obviously, while Microsoft is trying to do that with their Copilot, but one thing that Google has done well is that if anyone who owns the premium or the enterprise license today, right, you get the Ultra or the Gemini, the most advanced model today, right? So what they've done is they've now introduced certain tier plans, this week, which is primarily business, Gemini Business and Gemini Enterprise, focused towards again, you don't have to get everything, or you don't probably have to pay more for leveraging everything, right? So while the enterprise plan which is there, it provides the most advanced model access, which is Ultra, which you do not get through the business license, right? So they've actually provided a more tiered approach right now, again focusing more on how do they distribute this much better. And obviously with enterprise plan, you get integration with the existing Google tools, which you were anyhow getting with the premium subscription already, if you had that license, right? Which is you can integrate with Sheets, you can integrate with the Gmail to probably respond to quite emails and so on and so forth, right? So
Is this similar to the Copilot that Microsoft released for their products?
yeah, so Copilot today, if you purchase the enterprise plan, you can integrate, right? Although it's still in
Got
beta
it.
preview, right? That's the same thing exactly. Like they're trying to
Got it.
replicate. The only difference is, Shiva, if you have O365 license today, you still don't get Copilot. You'll have to purchase that license separately, which is around $30, $30, right? But if here you own the Google, business license, right, you get the Gemini consumption
Got
license
it.
automatically. Yeah.